Hi everyone, bonjour à tous! I hope you're having a safe and happy summer. My next video is almost ready and it will explore ideas and concepts that will help us save money thanks to sewing. Indeed, sewing is a skill that can help us be mindful with our money, but also with our time and resources, with energy and supplies, and with raw materials. In the meantime, here is a little holiday homework for you if you will. I need your help to prepare new tutorials on a very exciting topic, the dress form. Is it a must-have? Spoiler alert, yes, I truly believe it is if you wish to improve your sewing and fitting skills and enhance the quality of your work as well as broaden your savoir-faire in a fun and professional manner. Yet, sadly, very few beginners own a dress form, and apart from the financial aspect, which I will definitively address in the videos, I would be very curious to hear your questions, your thoughts, and your interrogations concerning the mannequin. They will allow me to prepare videos as comprehensive as possible. Do you have specific problems while draping? Are you scared to buy a mannequin? If you own one, what prevents you from using it? And so on. Don't be shy, there are no such things as useless or silly questions. This channel is yours and mine to improve, and to improve together. Also, I want to reassure you that I am not forgetting beginners. I will make very soon easy and quick projects using the fabric scraps that clutter our drawers. And also the third episode of my basic block patterns video is on its way. It will show us how to draft pants with knit fabrics. Have a sweet summer. I am looking forward to reading your comments and questions concerning the dress form. Bye bye! À bientôt!